But Faisal is our first diplomat from Dubai and UAE, and he's very excited because UAE is the fourth largest retail market in the world, and he sees the vision and the possibilities of GWT. So he has his eyes set on being regional ambassador in 2015, and he made a promise that he was going to be on the Night of the Stars every month this year, and so far he started out January and February he's been on the Night of the Stars, so he's leading by example, and we look forward to see him again in March.
Faisal, we are back to you here. Is Faisal here on the call?
Absolutely, Faisal, go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Thanks for
Good morning, everyone. I'm here on the call. Is the voice clear, please?
Yes, very clear. We all know your target is to be on this call every single month, and you are going to be our national ambassador by the end of this year. So please share with us what makes you so successful. What have you done?
Well, thank you very much, Sherry, for inviting me to to speak here. And you have already done my job for this morning. I call it morning, but it's now almost 6 o'clock in the morning here. We started at 5:15.
Right.
Well, you see, what I would like to say about what I have done to reach here is. Of course, the commitment from a person is needed. Nothing can be achieved without the person is committed. But what I see in this company, apart from the gorgeous products, the absolute, management, the support and everything, what I see in this company that makes it all possible is that the leadership, of course, is always there, including My5 and outside My5, the leadership to help all the new LCs grow. But something more exciting, that if that's not enough for anybody, there are so many new people who are taking interest in this business, and they're coming in and making success, that anyone who wants to be successful cannot ignore this fact that this company, because of its everything, including the management, the products, and the opportunity, is expanding so fast that even the new people, and we see this every month, we see this every week in our meetings, they're coming in, they're having success, that no one can just ignore this path. And all I have done, to be very honest, I hope I can do more than that, and I will, inshallah. But all I have done is I've kept myself plugged into the system, be on the calls every time, get the inspiration, take some notes, learn from the leaders, have your inspiration from the new ones also. If they can do it, I am not in my first month, I am more than that, so I should be able to do it as well. And again, I had said about going regional ambassador in this year. You just made that to national, so thank you. Thank you, and yes, why not? The opportunity is so great, and it is so available for anyone who wants to come in and take forward. And what will be the result? The result will be good for us, good for people around us, and the way the compensation plan and the leadership arrangements are designed by our all amazing CEO. I've said that before. Nothing enough can be said about him. That becoming regional or national myself means what? Means that I would automatically be helping so many people, and that is awesome feeling. I think
Absolutely.
Nothing more I could do than to just keep myself plugged into the system. Thank you very much.
I love it. Thank you so much, Faisal. And I mean, I just did a very simple calculation. You're saying you're going to be on this call every single month, so I'm counting you on that. And every single month, basically, meaning you need to have at least launch 3 VDMs. So that's 36 VDMs. So that's way more enough than for the national ambassador. So target is there, and the national ambassador, you need a 32, and this will make you 36 plus.
Well, thank you very much. If that is it, then why not? I mean, I didn't know this, and I just heard this one from you now. So again, proof coming on this call every time. 80% of your success is just showing up. Yeah. That's all I'm doing. But I'm sure, you know, as I'm sure, see, as time passes and you know, as one takes interest, new horizons open up, new targets show up, new possibilities, you know, open up. And this is what is happening to me. I'm so happy with with some of the new leaders that have developed in United Arab Emirates, and of course, continuous support also coming from the small team that we so far have, but we have not even warmed up. We have not even warmed up, and United Arab Emirates will be on the top of the you know, GWT charts, inshallah, very soon. I will surprise you, everybody, because I've been meeting with some leaders over here that have completely come in on board already and are ready to take you know, UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, all the states and the Middle East. Totally, we're going to take GWT everywhere. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Faisal, and I look forward to see your success and see you on top.